today I'm gonna give you 2 important tips for foam rolling, all right? But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips on back pain and posture. So let's talk about foam rolling. It's really good. Everybody's doing it. I'm sure you're doing it. I'm doing it. Your grandma's doing it. But let me give you a few ways to improve your foam rolling, okay? The first thing you want to pay attention to is your whole body posture. So let's say I want to foam roll my lats, which is right over here, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, just line it. Like most of you would kind of probably do something like this, right? And just line it, and you can roll around and massage that foam roll, that lat area. It's just fine. But now, look at my body posture. What's wrong here? So first of all, you want to always try to be in a neutral spinal position as much as possible. You want to have your toes and neck aligned. So the first thing I would do here to improve this is I would bring my leg back, kind of align my legs with the rest of my body. Second thing is that if I stay in this position for too long, my neck is going to strain. So actually what I can do here is I can just kind of bring that elbow up. You can see, put my fist here, and now I'm supporting my neck. And now, even if I am just rolling around like this, I'm in a much better posture. My neck's not going to strain over time. So you want to keep that in mind. One more thing you can do here is just pull in your stomach a little bit, okay? So instead of having it completely relaxed like this, arching your low back, pull it in, okay? As if, just like you would if you were walking or sitting for a while, you would tuck that belly in for a better posture. Same thing here, okay? You want to engage your core a little bit, okay? So that's what I'm doing. I'm just kind of drawing in my stomach a little bit, again, for that better posture alignment. That's the first tip. The second tip that I have for you is that a lot of people, they just foam roll up and down, and all they're doing is they're kind of moving it up and down like this the whole time, which is okay. It's still going to give you relief. But what a lot of people don't know is that one of the best things you can do when you're foam rolling or self-massaging in general is you want to find a tight area, like a muscle knot, a trigger point, and then you want to stay on that spot for a while until it releases. So you don't want to just roll around like a maniac all the time. You actually, what I do is I try to roll around, and then I try to find a spot that's very tight or an area that's very tight, and then I just stay on it. You want to stay on that spot for about 30 to 60 seconds, let it relax, and then move on to another spot, okay? That's what you want to do. And by the way, make sure you're breathing throughout. So again, I'm going to try to find another spot, and I can just relax into it 30 to 60 seconds. Again, don't always just go up and down the foam roller. Instead, hold different areas. The last tip I have for you, this is a bonus tip, is you always want to breathe when you are foam rolling. So right now, I got a really tight area here that I'm working on. And so what do most people want to do when they get into a tight area? They want to contract everything and kind of like go through the pain to kind of get through it. But that's the opposite of what you want to do. You want to see if you can actually relax. The more you can relax, the better. So what you want to do is you want to breathe in that position. So right now I have a tight spot, and it's like, ooh, it's really tight. Let's see if I can relax into it. Breathe. Yes? So that's what you want to do is make sure you're relaxing into that trigger point so that your brain and your body and your nervous system essentially relax that muscle and that area. Yes, so that's what you want to think about. I hope you liked these tips. If you did, please give us a like as well as subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, we'd love to send you 3 posture exercises that we've done with Dr. David Oliver. These are focused on fixing that forward head and rounded shoulders. So if you'd like to get those exercises, they're going to be somewhere here in the video or down below in the description. Just go to that page and we'll send them to you.